Alright, welcome ladies and gentlemen to my channel. This is Devi again, and all I want to do is to remind you guys that Rapido Run is going live very soon on 29th of July. Actually, we have only 5 days to the launch of the smart contract. Rapido Run it has a different plan compared to other contracts. It's like Forsage, but a bit advanced compared to Forsage. And all I want to tell you that it is affordable. It is a hybrid matrix based on the Ethereum smart contract. It is decentralized. It is peer-to-peer. No one will run away with your money, and you can get started with only 0.03 Ethereum. And that 0.03 Ethereum will open for you 3 slots in 3 different matrices. We have the Rapido X3, we have X4, and then we have X8. So if you missed Forsage in the beginning, don't miss Rapido Run. It is dropping in 5 days. Those who want to get the link fast with our huge team, we have a Telegram channel that we are adding members there. So the description, the link, you can join with the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video, where we are going to keep you updated with all the info about Rapido Run. So how does Rapido Run work? It is based on the Ethereum Ethereum blockchain, and it is 100% decentralized, and anyone in the world can join as long as you have 0.03 ETH as a startup amount. So these are the 3 matrices I talked of. Now, and there is also a full description of the program that I made in one of my videos. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. This one is just to give you a quick update of Rapido Run. So these are the 3 matrices. We have X3, we have X4, and we have X8. And you can get spills from upline and overflow from downline. So all those are ways to earn from Rapido Run. So if we are to look at the matrices, these are the 3 matrices, X3, X4, and X8. I'm not going to look at them in detail here. There is a video that shows the full details of these matrices, the explanation. So this is where Rapido is different, guys, from all other matrices. On other smart contracts we have seen, they were having only these 2. But Rapido adds on X8, which makes it powerful, because this Rapido X8 is so powerful. If you can get, as you can see here, it has got 3 layers. This cell number 1 and number 2, they'll go to the upline of your upline. Cell 3, 4, 5, and 6. These ones, they go to your upline, and then for you'll get this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So in other words, you'll earn 7 times on that slot. So it is very powerful, and if I say you guys to join it, those want the early link, you're going to get the early link. It will be posted in our Telegram channel, and we promise you a lot of spillovers as we are marketing this. We are going to market this with my fellow leaders. So this is Rapido X3. As you can see, the first 2 cells, they go to you. The 3rd cell will go to your upline, and it will activate the spot under you so that you can earn continuously. And there are also 15 slots that you can buy. If you have money, you can buy all of these ones so that you don't miss any commission from your downlines. Then in X4, it has got 2 layers. The first 2 cells will go to your upline. Then for you will get cell number 3, number 4, and number 5, as you can see here. Cell number 6 will go to your upline, and it will reactivate the matrix for you so that you can earn unlimited times. Still, it has got 15 slots that you can buy, and we emphasize our members to buy up to like 0.1 in this X4, because they are going to get a lot of spillovers. Remember, if you don't activate a slot, you can't get spillovers from that slot. So you can activate any amount that you want here. Then X8, the most powerful here. As you can see, cell number 1 and number 2, they will go to this upline here. The upline of your upline. The upline of your upline is the person who referred your upline to the program. Then 3, 4, 5, and 6, these ones, they'll go to your upline, and then for you, you'll get 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So these ones are yours. They are 7 cells. And the 14th cell will go to your upline, and it will reactivate, or it will reopen the matrix for you, such that you can earn unlimited times again. So this one has also got 15 slots from where you can buy from. And we emphasize you here also to buy up to 0.4 here, or any amount that you want, because it is going to give you unlimited earnings from spillovers and overflows. So that is that. This is the reinvestment we talked of. The first 2 cells, they go to you, then this one opens the matrix. So guys, don't pass on this. You can tell a friend, and a friend tells a friend, and we always emphasize you to upgrade so that you don't miss out on any commission. So these are the color codes. This one here will be your personal referrals. The yellow one will be people who are invited by your upline. These are the spillovers. And then this green here, the persons who are invited by your downlines. So these are the overflows here from the downlines. Then this one will be the partner who took over the upline. For example, if you invite someone and he or she upgrades before you, it will appear in this color here. So those are the color codes. These are the unlimited profits. So guys, don't forget, come and join Rapido Run. And the site, as you can see here, the site, it is still under construction, and they told us that by 29th it will be up, and there will be a timer here. Once it goes to 0, we shall be good to go. Don't forget, there is a link in the description for the Telegram channel. Join it. All updates are being posted there, and we are adding members there in our team. Okay guys, thanks, and see you in another video.